Good morning to all. I am Ms.S.Veeralakshmi from Department of Microbiology. In this video, we learn about forensic serology and nature of the blood and its functions. What is forensic serology? Forensic serology is the branch of forensic sciences dealing with identification and characterization of biological and evidentiary samples such as blood, semen, saliva, sweat, breast milk and anything other than body fluids. It was said by Professor Septin. A forensic serologist may also be involved in DNA analysis and blood stain pattern analysis. Serology. Serology is the study of serums such as blood and other human fluids. The term serology is used to describe a broad scope of laboratory tests that use the specific antigens and serum antibodies reactions. In 1901, Karl Landsteiner, a researcher at the University of Vienna, published his discovery that human blood should be grouped into distinct types, which became shown as the ABO blood group system. Nature of the blood. Blood is a complex, viscous, red fluid with a pH of about 7.4. Blood is a specialized bodily fluid that is composed of substances, cells and plasma. The liquid part is called plasma and the solids are red cells, also known as erythrocytes, and white blood cells, also known as leukocytes, and platelets, it also known as thrombocytes. It is responsible for delivering nutrients and oxygen to and transporting wastes and carbon dioxide from cells, tissues and organs. The average human body has about 5 liters of blood. In females is for less than 5 liters and males more than 5 liters. Blood accounts for 8% of total body weight. Oxygenated blood is bright red color, while deoxygenated blood is darker red due to the nature of hemoglobin. Erythrocytes, it also known as red blood cells. It contain hemoglobin and distribute the oxygen throughout the body. It accounts for approximately 93% of all blood cells. In the counting level, approximately 5 billion cells per liter. It represents approximately 20% of all cells in the body. Over 2 million cells were made in every second. It lives for about 120 days and before recycled. Hematocrit is used for measuring RBC volume. Leukocytes, it also known as white blood cells. It is the function in the immune system. It contains 5 types involved in immune target and its function. It accounts for approximately 0.1% of all blood cells. In the count level, approximately 7 billion cells per liter. In leukocytes, live for 3 to 4 days before it recycled. Thrombocytes, it is also known as platelets. It is responsible for blood clotting. It produced by fragmentation of larger stem cells. It accounts for the approximately 7% of all blood cells. In the counting level, approximately in 250 billion cells per liter. In thrombocytes are live for 5 to 9 days and before it recycled. It forms long fibers to trap RBCs and form scab. Plasma is the fluid portion of blood and accounts for 55% of the blood content. It is mostly water and it contains the clotting factor like fibrin, other proteins, hormones and various chemicals. Serum is the liquid that separates from the blood when a clot is formed. Functions of blood. It carries oxygen and flow to the body tissues. It helps to eliminate waste product of the body tissues through kidneys and other parts of the body. It regulates the temperature and acidity to the body. It carries administered medicines to the affected parts of the body. So, these are about the forensic serology. Thank you, students.